Financial and personal advantages of home-based business opportunities. You may be one of the many people looking for home business opportunities. There are several million people working at home today, and a number of them are using their computers to make money. The internet has opened up a new market that sells services and products worldwide. In this video, we'll dive into the financial and personal advantages of home business opportunities. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. With the home business opportunity, you can be in charge of your future and have a successful business while working at home. There are moms who would like to stay at home with young children but still contribute to the family income. Even early retirees can find a new job to give them income and a new opportunity in life. You may be someone who would like to work at home. You won't have to worry about an alarm clock, commuting drive, or an annoying boss. One of the biggest advantages of home business opportunities is that you can be your own boss. You don't have to work specific hours every day, and in many cases the hours are only part-time. You can usually set your own schedule and work as little or as much as you desire. There are different ways to make money on the internet. You can work for yourself by selling services or unique products. You can set up your own website or advertise on other sites. You can also work for other people and leave the organization and management to someone else, but still be an independent employee. Many people have tried different schemes to make money on the internet or to work at home. It is important to examine companies that promise great rewards when you sell for them. Some require hard selling and multi-level marketing, where only those at the top of the chain win. These often do not work out as they are promoted. This is especially discouraging if a large investment has been made. There are online sites that will give you ideas for work-at-home jobs. For a nominal fee, these sites will train you, set up your business, and support you as you work. There are a variety of home business opportunities to choose from. You can get paid to take surveys at home, make money from eBay, get paid to blog online, sell products, set up a travel business, or assist people with money brokering. With these methods, you can set the hours you want to work. Your income will depend on how much time you want to spend working. There are advantages in going online to find a company to get you started in a home-based business opportunity. Usually, there is no experience required, and the company will give you training. They have organized plans to help you get started in the right way. Some companies do all the setup, so you are immediately ready to do business. Your home business opportunity can be successful and fulfilling. Whether you want a part-time job or a second income, there are many opportunities to make money at home. By spending a few hours a week, you can build your own business without a large investment. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.